Personals are up there. Not many personals going on tonight. Maybe everybody forgets that we go early on Friday, but that's all right, man. What's up, JS? There. Oh, thank God, JST for the save. Thanks, brother. What's up, man? Here's everybody up in the first one, dude. Low serial number game, and Phoenix is kind of good. It's the best of both worlds. Best of both worlds. And don't worry where you're at because it doesn't really matter. Like, anybody can win. All right, Freshie, 733 boxes per case. Just joking. But there are a lot of boxes. Well, we need 4 of them for this game. And here we go. Okay. So yeah, just a couple spots left in that last Brock. That's it for my Brock Purdy's. I don't have any more. Need a weird Cardinals? Hey, listen. Kyler's peppered all over this stuff, JST. Let's do it. Listen, sometimes if you're the only one here right now, sometimes you get the hit. I don't know. I think that might be it. I think that's actually how it works. Okay. All right, low print run. Here we go. Let's do it. Regardless, there's gonna be good stuff rolling out to you guys. And if we're saying I like, there you go. Over to Minnesota and go Ducks. How about that Kirk Cousins? No number, but just a sweet little baby Kirk Cousins. Yeah. Done. That sounds pretty good. Because I'm okay with that deal. Hey, you know what? Me too right now. I'm all right with all that good jazz. All right. Zay Flowers, you, my friend. Ooh, 22 out of 75. You're in the lead, dude. I mean, just saying, Baltimore and Broncos. Tannehill, you gonna get up in here? No, you're not. Out of 150. And then Josh Downs, nope. All right, Jalen Hurts, I don't think so. Out of 150 as well. There's gonna be something super low. I have a sneaking suspicion. All right, Zay Flower. What did we hit? Oh, well, no, we used a box for the mixer last time. There's Joey Porter out of 199. That's right, we used a box for a mixer and hit a 101 gold vinyl. So, but this is a fresh case. It's a new beginnings. Yeah, yeah. All right, why not? All right. Miles Murphy. Then you got Zach Charbonnet, and that'll be. There you go, little Kenneth. No, that's going to be out of 99. Right now, Zay Flowers doing some yard work until Tennessee. Oh, Chaka. Treylon Burks not gonna do it. Still, that one's out of 99. Nobody can get rid. Here's a little Bijan, just silver contour. Thunderball, after his big win the other night, he's going back after it. Why not? Little Tyreek out of 125. But you got 4. Ooh, I see something gold. Got a Tony Dorsett, Fire Forged, 56 out of 75. Not going to do it. So right now, 3 packs left in this first box. Zay Flowers commanding lead for the Brock Purdy, clearly Don Russ. All those guys right there. JST, at least hanging out with me. Here's Deshaun Watson at a 175. Got a Jalen Hyatt. Anything? 29 out of 99. Oh, boy. Where are those Cardinals hits? I got a little weird little Kyler for you. Oh. Well, no. CJ going over to Rocky. Listen, I'm going to take that all day long. Yes, it's at a 199. Doesn't matter. Probably your buy-in back. 1 out of 35, Chad Ryland. Oh, boy. Dethroning Zay. Hold on a second. Oh, my gosh. Hello? Oh, man. Trying to do these, get this tabletop installed, and hour and a half late to get this dang top stalled, and then they were like, oh, now we're going to inconvenience you. All right. Okay. Back to it. Chad Ryland, though, and Rocky, 1 out of 35, now in the lead, going into box number 2. Oh, boy. All right, let's go box 2. And here we go. More Chad Ryland. Once you start with Chad Ryland, you can't stop. Okay, it's just standard auto, no serial number, but you still are in the lead. Rocky with the Patriots. Somebody has got to get. Oh, Clayton Tune. I forgot about that sandbagging SOB. You gonna do it? No, out of 250. What if it's a little Clayton Tune coming your way? 1 out of 10, Clayton Tune for the win. Justin Jefferson. Ayo, I'll take that, CJ. Look at Rocky doing that yard work. That's 115 and a 150. Yep, and then Jahmyr Gibbs. Oh, where's it at? Come on, JST. No, not there. Zach Harrison. Got a Cedric Tillman gold, 32 out of 75. And there's Puka. Got a Trey Tucker at a 175. I'd be nervous about these thickens that are coming in here. Chad Ryland right now at a 35. But oh my God. How close is that for Washington? Darrell Green, Champ Bailey, Emmanuel Forbes, triple patch, 2 out of 35. Come on. Too lit to see. I thought you were going to take it down there, boy. All right, Josh Jacobs, 175. Little Mahomes Silver guy. That was 32nd spot. Almost gotcha. All right, playing with fire, Aaron Rodgers, not numbered. Jordan Addison. See? I'll take this banger all day long. Who's got Minnesota? Go Ducks. So, dual jersey, Jordan Addison out of 125. All right, got Sidney Brown, A.A. Ron, silver. Aaron Jones. I do not think. Nope, 199. So right now, New England still in the lead. That's Rocky. There's Devon and Bijan. Pink, 175. Not Gonna get there. We got 3 packs left over here. Okay. Dorian Williams and... Oh. Well, I thought it was going to be autoed for us. Nope. Just still. I mean, not bad. Over to KC. That'd be Big Dog 808 with a Mahomes 52 out of 99. And a Mike Evans at a 125. Thought the Mahomes was going to do it. All right. Mac Jones silver and a Zach Pickens 250. Nope. All right, last pack of this box. Here is Anthony Richardson Rook, Treylon Burks, the color burst, and a Travis Kelce. That's going to be 43 out of 50. Not going to do it. Another CJ. I mean, a decent amount of CJs are rolling out of here right now, and I like it. JST, I mean, you still got 2 boxes, JST. Do you go after this? I mean, just in case, do you lock in one for the second Purdy? Just in case. Right now, Chatter Island, we still got 2 boxes left to go. Low print run serial number card takes down the Brock Purdy, the purple, clearly Donna Russ, rookie auto at a 175. Last graded one went for like 1,400. So, and that was in my grading pile. I took it out of it. Made sure that we did a little low serial number game for it as well. All right, so you got a Kenneth Walker, 16 out of 50. Are you telling me Chad Ryland and the Patriots calling a Michael Wilson out of 10? I like it. Brian Branch, Jackson Smith, orange guy, no, 39 out of 99. And a Puka Contour. Seattle, Scotty B. Oh, boy. This thing's going to be kind of ball. Oh, I thought it was going to be auto. Come on now. Jahmyr Gibbs, 7 out of 50. Still some bangers coming out of Phoenix, and I like it. Jackson Smith, purple guy. Nope, 125. You call your shot there, JST, and I like what's happening here. If that happens. Travis Kelce silver and a Quentin Johnson. A little wave at a 175. Still a lot of packs left to go, but nothing even coming close to Chatter Island. Joey Porter. And yet a Justin Fields playing with fire. Hey! 175. Nope. Boy. So right now, 1 out of 35, the number to beat somehow. Here's Christian McCaffrey. Silver, then a Eli Manning. Fire Forged. 20 out of 50. Oh boy. And Jalen Hyatt. Brenton Strange? What? Where'd you come from, dude? Just a base on another CJ Silver, though. Keep racking those up there, Rocky, but right now you got the Patriots too, bub. All right, Dylan Horton, silver, and a nice Bijan, pink, 199. Oh, the thickens. Terrified. Byron Young. Oh, it's just a filler. Good. All right, little Mahomes. Is the purple good enough? That's going to be 61 out of 99. Mahomes. Oh, boy. All right, Rashawn Johnson and... Well, this is a neat little color here. What we got? Nope. 125, Christian Kirk. Still have one more box after this. Uh-oh. JST. Can you do it? Michael Wilson. No, you can't. Oh my gosh. 22 out of 75. Michael Wilson. I thought you did it, dude. That would have been insane. All right, Jaden Reed. 7 out of 250, but you're heating up. That's the key. Oh boy. Another thicken. All right, Mac. Emmanuel Forbes. Desmond and it's Chargers. Oh my. You're in the lead now with the Chargers of all teams. Look at legs. Dude, Austin Eckler out of 25 dethrones Chad Ryland. So 14 out of 25. Austin Eckler. See ya, Chatter Island. You're out of here, dude. So now the new number to beat with one box left to go is 14 out of 25. Austin Eckler's real nice, too. I like it. Oh, boy. Some of those out of the way. Okay. Tons of serial number stuff in here. All right. Last box. In the Phoenix. Low serial number for the purple Purdy auto. Rookie auto. Where are we at with the other one? Hopefully that one's about gone because we just got the one, and then the last Ultimate 8. Go ahead, fire them up. Here we go. JST. You need some Cardinals love. Rocky goes 101 CJ. I like what you're saying. You didn't even hold back. You weren't even trying to be conservative. You said, no, I want the hammer. All right, bro. Brian Brees, oh, you need something out of 10 at this point. Or out of 25. Here's a Quentin Johnson out of 199. Not going to do it there. There's some thin and some super thicks up in here. All right, Drew Sanders. Then you got the Tyreek fired up, silver, Jared Goff. You gonna do it? No. Out of 150. Tank Bigsby. Oh. Listen, JST, you're just kind of hanging around a little bit. Starting to poke the bear, playing with fire CJ. Rocky looking for that 101 CJ. There's Bijan. Oh, go Pack, go. Who's got him? Green Bay, Chaka. That's his team. Jaden Reed. Is it enough? I don't think so. That's still a gorgeous looking card. Jaden Reed. That's going to be out of 125. 15 out of 125, Jaden Reed. Another Jamar Gibbs, the concert. This is the one I'm nervous about. Right down there at the bottom. I would be terrified if I were the Chargers right now. Legs. I would be. I mean, you already got. Oh no. It's a black bordered. What is it though? Carolina. Decoy. You got an Adam Thielen right now. Is this Adam Thielen going to do it? Two of 10. Adam Thielen and the Carolina Panthers take a commanding lead. Decoy right now sitting pretty. Black border Adam Thielen, 2 out of 10, dethrones Austin Eckler. Sweet baby Jesus, what's going on here? All right, here's Hendon Hooker, the pink. Not going to do it. $1.99. All right, Lamar, Chris Olave. Then you got Jake Hayner. Quentin Johnson, back to the Chargers. $175. My homie, silver guy. I'm going to leave that super thickin' for last. Oh, boy. All right, Luke Van Ness. Uh-oh. It's a triple. Chiefs. Nope. Not even close. Still nice. Neil Smith, Chris Jones, and Felix. Well, fix it, Felix. Triple jersey, 40 out of 150. Tyler Algier over to Atlanta. Thunderball. 10 out of 25. Would have been Wooderson. Oh, the shifts that would have happened there. All right. Oh. We're down to just 4 packs. Decoy. I'm already nervous. Jalen Carter. Oh, not going to do it. 10 out of 35. Jalen Carter. Followed up by a beautiful Justin Jefferson. The wave out of 150. I mean, Decoy, you getting nervous yet? I don't even know. You're not here. Justin Fields playing with fire to silver. Breece Hall. Purple guy. 12 out of 99. Another Fields. Here we go. Down to the nitty gritty. All right, Isaiah Foskey. Then Najee. The color burst. TJ Watt. $1.99. Christian Kirk silver. Last chance right now. Decoy. 2 out of 10. Adam Thielen. There's just 1 pack left, and it is it's a biggie. I mean, there's something. All right. Mikey Evans. Oh, what if it was a BJ allergy? Oh, sweet God. The Raiders. Oh, it doesn't even matter. Decoy has the Raiders too. And it didn't even matter anyway. Trey Tucker. And that'll be out of 125. I thought that was going to do it. Decoy taking down the Brock Purdy with a black border Adam Thielen. 2 out of 10. Congrats, Decoy. And that's your team. And there you go. Easy as that right there. The Brock Purdy rookie at a 175 clearly. Holy smokes. All right. If that doesn't get you going, I don't know what does. I don't know what will. I was intense. A lot of lead changes there. All right. Let me get this one set off to the side, saved up here real quick. I'll see what the other